Thank you so much for coming out today. I think that we're beating last year's numbers of over 650 people. You're all so great and such an important part of keeping this river clean and so that we can enjoy it and recreate, and we're just so grateful to have such a big part of the community come out. Again, I'm Molly. I'm from Fraser Riverkeeper, and I'm here right now with Kevin Raffle from Woodtone, and we just wanted to get something started. But before I do it, I do want to let folks know that, as you can see, we are lining up for the barbecue now, which is going to start very shortly. So if you're still kind of emptying out your trucks and whatnot, and you want to make your way over here after that, that would be great. But something we wanted to talk about today is every year we actually award what is called the Andy Rotzetter Memorial Award, and this is to honor the late Andy Rotzetter, who was such an important part of getting our cleanup started. And Kevin will speak a little bit more to that, but we really want to honor someone who has just been such an incredible part of keeping our rivers clean so that we can get out there and clean for the fish, clean for the people, clean for us to recreate. And she has been instrumental from day one of getting these cleanups going. She's also been such an important part of our work, specifically with the Fraser Valley Illegal Dumping Alliance. And she is herself president of an organization voluntarily that works to protect the Chilliwack River. So I'll pass it off to Kevin for a little bit more info.
Thanks, Molly. This person in particular has been truly instrumental in helping this cleanup take the next steps to becoming one of the big cleanups, not only just in Chilliwack, but probably the largest cleanup in BC. Without meeting her and her team, this cleanup would have never reached this level. And I think she might know who we're talking about already.
So we're really proud to award Nikki Rekman with the Andy Rotzetter Memorial Award. Come on up, Nikki. Thank you, Nikki. Yeah, she had no idea, so this is fun for us.
Now you got to make a speech.
Wow.
Give her the mic.
Thank you so much. I did not see this coming at all. But mostly I would say that everybody that's committed to our waterways, our lands here, this is for everybody. We couldn't do this kind of work and remove the kind of tonnage that we've removed without volunteers. So thank you so much for coming out, and yeah, we appreciate your involvement so very much.
Don't forget your cleanup date.
Oh yes, we also have the Chilliwack River Cleanup Society River Cleanup on Saturday, April the 13th, and that's based out of the Great Blue Heron Nature Reserve. So if you're available, come on out for that one. And we're specifically looking for people who have four-wheel drive vehicles and maybe a bit of muscle to tackle the upper parts of the Chilliwack River Valley. So yeah, April the 13th, and thank you again.
And I just love to read what the award says here. So we have Andy Rotzetter Memorial Award, and this wood is actually from someone in our Alliance member, Steve Clegg, so we'd like to recognize that. And it's presented to Nikki Rekman in recognition of her extraordinary dedication to the stewardship of the Fraser River. So thank you again, Nikki. We love you. You're fabulous.